Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. What's really happening on the market? This is the last week of this month, guys, and we are going to have an NFP in coming days. So maybe we will see some refresh on some of the markets. But let's just go on our economic calendar. But before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And yeah, we still have that special until further notice, lifetime signals for $60 and 12 months for $48. You can scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. Check my description, you will find the link to join the team. So when we check actually our economic calendar, we see that we don't really have much here. On Monday, I see manufacturing PMI. Yeah, sometimes it will move the market, but mostly it doesn't really move the market that much. Then Tuesday, I see CPI for Europe. Yeah, sometimes it moves the market, but not that much. But around 3:30, the same time where around the same when the market opens, we see Powell is going to speak. This might move the market, but we'll have to listen to that. On Thursday, as usual, we have unemployment claims. I see that the service PMI around 8. There is FOMC meeting minutes. So this will also give us a clue what will happen next on the rates. Whether they want to cut the rates or not, I think they will just give us some clues. But we saw some very good events on the calendar, especially for this month. Actually, we saw a lot of economic news going down. We saw CPI going down. We saw PPI slowly going down. Retail sales were also going down. The only thing that we saw going up, I think it was NFP, but the rest was just slowly going down. So let's go from there. From Wednesday, I think the other something that is going to be important is going to be on Friday, where we see we have employment change or NFP from the US around 2:30. So we will actually see what will happen. So this week the market might go a little bit crazy, but I think we're not gonna get those crazy moves like what we got from this past weeks, because it's been crazy. Yes, we were managing to make some money here and there, but the market or the swings were crazy because the reversals were like left and right, you see. So now, if you are new to the channel, as I repeat, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who want the recommendation for broker, I recommend EXNESS. Let me write that for you. EXNESS. There is a link in my description that you can just go straight to EXNESS and open that. Yes, that will actually it's a broker that you can use to trade in Nasdaq, US30s, and very cheaper and very, very, very low spreads. Yes, this video is not really sponsored by anyone. I'm just recommending them because I know it's actually a very good broker. So we are starting with Bitcoin. Today we just starting with Bitcoin. What's happening on the Bitcoin? We can easily see that the market on Bitcoin is still very on that bullish move, but we had this aggressive reversal. We have this aggressive reversal, but it seems like the market is just making quite similar moves, because where we are, we see that it's actually a previous resistance, and you can see even on top there. So the market is just been consolidating around that level, but the overall structure, yes, it's still actually a very nice support, a very nice uptrend. I'm still expecting to see the market going up, but it seems like the market is struggling to break this 72K mark there. Do you see that? It seems like the market is struggling to break out of that. But if it breaks, that is going to be some very nice new records. But at the moment, it seems like the market is still trying to play around. But we saw that before. If we go back a little bit back, you can see that we did have a quite similar move here. The market did give us this consolidation structure before we had that aggressive push to the upside. Maybe this is the repetition of that. Maybe. Maybe, we don't know at the moment, but it shows us that we are still on that nice uptrend. Now we are going on that DXY, dollar index. Yes, it seems like dollar index it's struggling to reach our resistance, but the overall structure is, as you can see, we are still on this nice uptrend structure. So the market has been going up very nice. We had a very nice structure like that. So I'm expecting to see the market respecting these levels. Do you see that? Then after, maybe we will see a nice reversal. Do you see that? That's what I'm expecting. And this week, we don't really have a lot of economic news. Yes, Powell is going to speak here and there. But I think one way or another, I thought maybe PCE was going to reach this resistance, but it shows that it failed to reach that area. Maybe NFP will try to reach our resistance before we get an aggressive reversal. You see that around this level, it's actually a very strong resistance. So the question is, will the market respect that resistance and go down? I expect that, but there is a chance that the market can still break out of that and start to push the upside, but that will be like seriously aggressive. That won't be good for the market, but we will see. As we are on an uptrend, maybe the market will continue with that a nice uptrend. So now let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. We are on Euro USD. What's really happening? We are on a daily time frame. It's easier to see this, that now we are on that nice downtrend structure, even though now the market seems to be struggling around this consolidation structure. But yes, we expect the market to go a little bit lower. I hope you can see that this is actually the move that we see at the moment. So now it means the most important thing is to see where can we take those sell positions. I'm expecting to take a sell around this resistant area. Then the market might continue going down, or maybe the market will actually break that support area. Then we can continue taking those sells. So the best thing that we can say here is we are on a downtrend, and let's expect to see those sell positions. And on this one, I think it's just straightforward. The dollar is quite stronger. USD, it's way too bullish. So the momentum that we see with that bullish, it's crazy. That's why you see here, even on USDJPY, we can easily see that, yeah, we are still on that nice uptrend. We've been on this uptrend for quite some time, for a very long time now. You see that the market has been going like that, but where we are, one way or another, I think we're gonna have that nice reversal before we see another push to the upside. So at the moment, yes, we are still on that nice uptrend, but we just expect to see the market trying to go a little bit lower. I'm expecting to see the market going a little bit down around this level. So maybe the market will do something like that before going up. But the best thing that we want here, what we want before we say that, we need a resistance. We need, the market has to create a resistance. Then we can say, yeah, we can see that the market will be reversing. But at the moment, just wait, just relax. Relax. You are not forced to trade. Sometimes we force trading and we end up losing because we know that things are not really well in the market. The market is going crazy. Maybe we expect the news. There is high impact news. There is geopolitics here and there. And at the end of the day, we just force trading. And maybe it's fear of missing out. Or maybe we just want to make money. But sometimes we just need to wait, whether you want to make money or not. But there is that time where you just need to relax. And there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes just wait. And yeah, there is a chance, there is a lot of some setbacks in the market. You can lose here and there. But when you understand what you're doing, it's easier to recover. And there are those times where we have like losing streaks. That is also part of the market, or is part of trading. There is times where we don't really make that much. We don't really make money. Or we make some profits here and there, and sometimes we end up losing that. You see, so you have to understand that there are those seasons, there are those times. So if you make money now, don't forget that when you lose, make sure that you understand that, oh, is that time, maybe I have to go a little bit back. I have to make sure that I don't really fight the market so that you can stay longer in the game. I hope you understand that. So now on GBPUSD, we can see that we are coming from a very, very, very nice You can see a very nice downtrend structure. The market broke out of that. So instead of getting a nice structure like that, we're expecting it to see quite similar move like that. Nope, the market did not really do that. We can see that now here, the market did not really give us a very proper move, because we can see that the market was trying to go up very quick. The market reversed. So this shows you that the market was not really giving us some proper moves, and that those structures, they, at the end of the day, you might end up losing, you see. So because we're expecting to see the market going up, jiggy the market is now going down. But at the same time, we can easily see that around this level, it's actually an area where the market broke out. It seems like the market is respecting that, but we will see if maybe the market will end up respecting this resistant level. If it breaks that, it means maybe we will see a continuation. But if the market comes back here, break this support, we will say, you know what, now we can conclude and say, now the market is ready to tell us about this sell trend or downtrend. We will be expecting to have some aggressive sells going even lower or down, you see. But at the moment, yes, we are on that. The market is just doing its thing. On a smaller time frame, we can easily see that if we go on a 4 hours time frame, you can easily see that the market seems to be giving us a nice downtrend structure. But it seems at the same time, we are on a smaller support, or not really that aggressive. You can see the market has been going down. We had this crazy move there. You see that? So will the market break that? If the market breaks that, yes, we are going to look for that aggressive sells. If the market breaks our resistance, we're also going to start to look for buy positions, so that it shows us that the market is not really moving smoothly, because it just changes the trends like nothing. And that's not how we actually used to trade, you see. So now let's push to the next one, to gold. What's really happening on gold? So on gold, you can easily see that, yeah, the overall structure here, it's actually a bullish move. We are on this nice bullish move there. But where we are, it's like the market is just trying to consolidate maybe before we have a very nice bullish move. So, but when we go closer, yes, we can easily see that it seems like the market is trying to give us a smaller downtrend structure. We can try to make it like that. You see that? So the question is, will the market break out of this support area, as we expect to see the market touching this level? Will the market break and start to go down? If that happens, it means we're gonna change our overall structures and start to look for those downtrends. But where we are, it's a bit confusing, because once the market reaches the support area, it pushes up aggressively. So at the same time, we also have this resistance. So it makes this structure to be sort of a horizontal or a ranging structure. But with another angle, you can see that this looks to be a very nice downtrend, but it's struggling to break this level. So now the question is, will it break, or maybe will it respect that? It's up to the market. We'll see what will happen. And with this type of moves, the market end up creating some crazy structures or crazy moves. It goes up, down, and it's easier to lose. It's way too easier to lose. So stay safe out of in the market, guys, because yeah, there's times in the market that you will actually find them. There are those times where things are just hard, but they become way too harder if you just want to trade, even though you see that no, things are not really good. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that the market is actually now, we're no longer on this nice uptrend. We are on this, you see the market was ranging, then the market got out of that. So at the moment, we expect the market to do what? To keep pushing up. But beside that, just look at what we have. I just wanted to just look at the candlesticks from this area. Just look at the wicks. From both sides, the market was just going down, up, down, up, down, up. So it was difficult for us to trade there. Even now, you can see the market, we have 1, 2, 3 days there. The market has been repeating the same thing. It was going up, going down, going up. At the same time, you might say, what's really happening with the market? The market doesn't really want to move very nice. So which means if you force trading there, you end up losing unnecessarily. So it's better sometimes to stay out. Yes, sometimes the market might not be moving within seconds, but you can easily see, just look at that, Market pushed up. A few minutes later or a few hours later, the market was down again. So it's not really a good time for us to trade around these levels. But anyways, we can easily see that the market is no longer around this consolidation structure. We broke out of that. I'm expecting something like this. Maybe later on, we will see the market trying to go even higher as the market is getting out of this ranging structure. Remember, once the market created this ranging structure, we were expecting to see the market going down because we were coming from a very nice uptrend structure. So which means that downtrend structure is no longer on our table. Now we expect to see the market trying to go even higher. So we saw Nasdaq trying to reverse on Friday from those higher areas. So this is what we have. We see that the market has been on a very nice uptrend structure, and we did welcome that. We did have some very nice trades here, but you can see where we are, it's quite very high. So I think maybe the market might end up trying to reverse. Maybe we'll have a very nice reversal on that. But at the moment, we see that the market did a very great job by touching that resistance and now starting to go down. Maybe the market will find a respect here, or maybe we'll just see a consolidation. So before we continue again, you can pause this video, scan that QR code if you want to be part of the team. We have this crazy special, a lifetime for $60, 12 months for only $48. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. Take advantage of that, guys, because those specials, they won't be here forever. So now let's just try to go on 4 hours time frame and see what we can get on 4 hours time frame on Nasdaq. So we can easily see that, yeah, the market is trying to reverse. So let me just take that out. We already smashed the market there. So I think the market will end up trying to reach that level. So on top, we already have that resistance. So it means the market might try to do something like this. Or maybe the market will end up trying to reach this lower support. But it seems like that won't happen. But anything is possible. But at the moment, I feel like maybe this is the area that we can reach around 19,500. I think that is the area that we are actually hoping for. And once it comes to around this level, I think it's going to be a very obvious choice for us to look for that buy. You see, unless if maybe something happens. So let's push to the next one, which is S&P. S&P 500 actually touched both sides, touched the resistance area, and you can see touched also the support area. But what's really happening, we are still on that nice uptrend, so we are just going to focus around that level as we've been preaching about that uptrend. So we can easily see that no man, the market did go touch our resistance, but on the bottom side, I think maybe it was towards at the time when the market was closing, so it touched this support and reversing. But I think we might have this type of a move. We're not gonna miss everything there, so I think at the end of the day, the market will be going up. But if it goes up, it means we have to see the market breaks this resistant area, or maybe we'll just look for these areas where the market will be playing around the support zone. But remember, we are still on that uptrend, so which means yes, we still welcomes those bullish moves. You see, yes, the market might look but it's overbought, but we expect to see some push unless something happens, if something happens. So now we are on German 40 or German 30. What's happening? We can see that we are coming from a very, very, very nice downtrend structure. Where we are, the market is just consolidating. So we expect to see the market place like that. You see that? So that's what I'm expecting. So at the moment, it seems like the market was just playing around. I was expecting to see a nice touch before we see a nice sell. And on this one, it might confuse because we have double. We have this resistance and this diagonal one. So sometimes the market can break that one, that resistant horizontal one, and respect this second one there before going down. It's possible. So once you go there, don't just go all in because anything is possible. The market can just do its thing there and disappoint you. So now we are on USOIL. I think maybe let's see if maybe we can have a nice structure on a daily time frame. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a very nice downtrend. It was a very nice downtrend structure. The market was just going down. Very nice. It was aggressive. But we also have this aggressive reversal breaking out of the structure. Now the market was just consolidating around this level. So, but I'm still expecting to see a very nice bullish move, especially when we are no longer on that downtrend structure. Yes, that downtrend structure is no longer there. So now we expect to see the market going up. Tensions in the Middle East, we see them starting to escalate here and there. Let's pray that it doesn't escalate, because once we see this oil going up, we know very well that inflations are still going to do what? Stay here longer, and that is not really good for interest rates, because they will keep those interest rates higher. I hope you see that. But anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So I will just place this here. For those who wants to be part of the team, let me know. You can just scan that QR code and we can talk. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.